Seaborn's jointplot function is a powerful tool for visualizing the relationship between two variables, typically a scatter plot with additional information such as histograms or kernel density estimates. Let's start. Make sure to import the baseline packages of Python. We will use the built-in dataset of penguins, as seen in earlier lectures. Load the dataset and assign it to data frame variable. Run the head function to explore the data. You will see numerical attributes of various penguin species. Let's first plot the single variable distributions for penguin body mass and flipper length. You will see the tendency of data samples for each of these attributes using histograms. Let's also make it visually appealing by changing the plot style. Great! But how about visualizing the distribution of these two variables in a single plot? The first approach is to give y parameter to histogram function of Seaborn. Let's do it. Perfect. Now you see a beautiful hexagonal intensity plot of two variables, which can also be broken down into species by using hue argument as we have seen earlier in histograms. Another great function for plotting joint distribution is the joint plot. Let's repeat the joint distribution, but this time using joint plot function. And you have a cool-looking joint distribution of two variables. It can be clearly seen the majority of species have body mass within 3000 to 4000 range, while having flipper length between 180 and 200.